So fractions, what they consist of is a numerator, which is the number on the top, and a denominator, which is the number on the bottom. Now our denominator, which in this case is 3, tells us how many parts the whole is divided into, and these are equal parts. So as you can see, we've got 3 parts to our whole. The number on the top tells us how much is shaded or how much we're looking at. So we're looking at one of these parts, or 1/3. When we've got 1/4, looking at our denominator, that means we've divided our whole into 4 pieces, and we've got one of these, or 1/4, shaded. Over here, we've got 5 as our denominator, which means we've got a whole separated into 5 equal parts. And then our numerator, which is 2, tells us that 2 of these are shaded. So when we come to work out what is 1/5 of 20 then, what this is actually saying is we need to divide 20 into 5 equal parts, and we're looking for one of those parts, what that's worth. So all we have to do to find this out is just do 20 divided by 5, which gives us 4, and we then need to multiply it by the number of parts we're looking for, and we're looking for one of these parts. So we know 1/5 of 20 then has to equal 4. So if we come to here, we've got 2/5 of 20, we're working it out in the same way, so we're going to do 20 divided by 5, which we know gives us 4, and we then need to multiply it by 2 because we're looking at 2 parts. So that means it's worth 8. When we've got 3/4 of 10, all we have to do is the same process. We're taking 10 and we're dividing it by 4, which gives us 2.5. We then need to multiply that by 3 as we're looking at 3 parts, which gives us an answer of 7.5.